Pero may impression na yung mga teacher, dahil doon sa pelikula, doon sa role mo, mahilig magsalita. Tapos ang impression yung asawa. Oo, gano'n. Ganun po, meron po ba kayong, ganun po ba yung impression niyo sa mga teacher?
Hindi, you know why? When I was in grade school, I have to say, two of my biggest influences were two teachers in grade school, Miss Fermin and Miss Arceo. And they were so soft-spoken, very sweet, malayo sa character ko. I think dito in-establish lang, para lang magkaroon lang ng, pwede namang wala diba, na ganun lang yung ugali niya. Pero siguro, kaya hindi na nilagyan ng ibang eksena. Inano lang na nakadagdag lang sa pagiging ganun niya, yung systematic, yung pagiging teacher niya. Hindi yung basta lang siya ganun. Pero ako, may influences ulit. Tsaka, ang mga barkada ko were the grade school principal, Sister Miriam Raymond Victoriano, madre. Tapos in IS naman, my hangout was the office. Yung sekretary, yung barkada ko. Tapos mga kausap ko yung mga teacher ko, sila Sir Acuña, sila Señora Santos, my teacher in Spanish. Mga Ginang Ludovico, mga ganun mga teachers. I liked my vice principal. I like talking to adults. And my hangout to crash study, to cram. If I had, kasi kaya lunch break, I would cram for my Spanish exam. I would go to Bookmark. Meron kaming branch na maliit ng bookstore dun sa IS. So I would stay there. Friends ko yung dalawa nagtitinda, sila Ricky. Kaya naalala ko pa sila. So, ayoko nakikiusap sa... Parang, ewan ko, manang kasi ako pinanganak talaga, if my mom were alive, she'd tell you that. Manang na talaga ako. Yung, by the time I was allowed to go to parties, wala akong gana. Because I was born with only one brother who's 5 years older. So, I learned how to amuse and entertain myself in my room. And noon, 5 lang ang channels Puro cartoons lang. Tapos naglalaro ako Star Trek mag-isa. Magte-trace ako ng piso sa mga papel. Kinukulayan ko, didikit ko sa cabinet ko. Kunyari, nasa spaceship. Yes, Captain. Yan yung mga bonding naman ni Daddy. Wild Wild West, Kung Fu. Yan yung napanood namin. So, I had a perfect childhood. And I thought, my children, actually, we were just talking a few days, last week, and I said, if only, they could interview. Yeah, parang, Mom is so talkative on TV. But when she's at home, ask them, I mean, ayan sila Penny, ganyan. Minsan, sabi ko, Penny, huwag ka papasok ng kwarto ko. Ayoko ng tao dito. Yaya, sabi mo, ayoko mapag-usap kahit. I'm very quiet at home. Yeah. I'm almost a loner. And Kiko's the same. We talk, and then kanya-kanya na kami. Siya, news, ako laptop, mga iTunes na shows. Then we have our favorite shows. We like Madam Secretary. We liked Breaking Bad together. We like Designated Survivor. But we haven't had a chance to bond over those. So I'm saving the episodes for him. Na mga next year pa natin mapapanood. So, yun lang. Very mababaw kami. And we're always together. The 3 kids and us. They usually sleep in the room. Especially Miguel. Our room,
Thank you. Last question ko
yes,
po.
Sure.
What do you want to go back for sa Ormoc? Ano po yung gusto niyong balikan?
Yung shootingan namin. Kasi napakalamig, napakasarap ng hangin. Tsaka quiet. Very quiet. It's like a little Baguio city. Yeah. When Baguio was still my Baguio, when I was a little girl. My dad's and my Baguio.
Accessible po sa kalalagihan?
Very! Half an hour from the city. Kaya lang it's a private property. Privately owned property. Ayaw may benta. And Ormoc is actually, SM just opened. They have Robin's Funds. It's already... tanong nyo na lang kay Richard. Sobrang ang pagpupuri ko.
Ay, no.
Para
naman endorser ng
tama na, para tinawag mong huwag na, yaman na siya na mag-explain.
Thank you, Professora.
Movies about marriage. If you were to give advice to your kids, or if you want to tell them something important about marriage, what would that be?
Everything in the movie. that marriage is, family actually is everything. That marriage is a covenant, except that, speaking through my own sad experience, and as sincerely as I can say it, unfortunately, the world is not perfect. And as much as I liked being married the first time around, I didn't control the mind of my partner or his emotions. So you cannot do that to a partner. So all you can do really is pray and hope, try your best and make a decision. Renew your decision every day to work on it. Kami ni Kiko, we're easy. We're very easy. That's why we get along and it lasts. Because we're okay. We talk when we need to talk. It's interesting when we discuss because, you know, I don't think he married me because I was quiet. I don't think he married me because, you know, I couldn't keep up with his way of thinking. But we have discussions, we don't always agree, but we respect each other very much. And I'm really, can I just say, I adore my husband because I really am feeling for him right now. As much as I feel bad for myself, because I don't know why I'm always, I always seem to find myself in the middle of disagreeing factions that I know personally. Like when I was born in 1996, President Ferdinand Marcos had been newly elected, or was going to be elected, the same year. And for some reason, because my father was mayor, he served kasi under 7 presidents yata. So, Marcos was the first I got to know. And then I got to know Bongbong and to a certain extent Irene on a personal basis, and Mrs. Marcos. I really had no idea about politics. And I didn't care. I mean, I didn't have any access to any information. So then I got older, and then Ninoy died and all. But my friendship stayed with Bong, and you know, especially Bong. And Lisa, his wife. Later on, Tito Erap. Parang, it's all, you know, Jingo already went to jail. I don't care. He's my friend. Aren't we supposed to hate the sin, but love the sinner? Not the sinner, diba? Not hate the sinner. So, I'm not a perfect person. None of us is perfect. I have my own faults. I may never have been accused of stealing money, and God knows I never have. But I'm not perfect. We all have our own little faults, you know, and I will not break. I'm tired of putting friendships aside because of politics. I am tired of not being able to, let's say, campaign for my best friend because my husband's with the administration, like what happened when FTJ ran against PGMA before. I am tired. But now naman, my brother, who, I don't hold my brother's brain. My brother's a strong man. He also has been sick of all the injustices from the very beginning, natago. So, from all presidents, I don't even know, di ba pa? Hindi ko naman hawak ang utak niyan. So, from the very beginning, kay PRD siya. Tapos nagkataon, it was PRD that really asked him to think about running for Pasay when he himself endorsed the incumbent. Because he said the corruption was too much. And this I say as God is my witness. And so my brother thought about it well and talked to us. And I said, he's been flying for 35 years, making an honest living simply. And all of a sudden, because he's Pablo Coneta's son, he's smart, you know. If people think I'm smart, it's probably doubly smarter. Because, you know, he's quiet, he's ganyan, but he went to Rizal. Of course, when he was young, got into trouble, all these things, dinaanan na niya, graduate na siya. And then he graduated from flying school with a gold and a silver medal as a surprise to us, in academics and in flying. So, it's, when you go to flying school, apparently, at the end of the whole course, only 30% of you would be left behind. The others would have given up or would have been kicked out because it's too hard. And he has been sent to Airbus to bring home new aircraft. First for Cebu Pacific, where he worked for more than 20 years. Now he's with AirAsia. And he's been flying 35 years. Yung alam mo yung tuyong-tuyo na yung dugo ng kapalit ko kalilipad kasi hindi naman nagnanakaw. And ako, as you know, di na rin natutulog. Kulang kami lahat sa dugo. So, and now, he wants people, when people heard na there was a possibility that there was a Cuneta that was running, at first they thought it was me.
Yeah.
When they found out it was Chet, they knew Chet because Chet was also one of my dad's private secretaries for a time when he was younger. So he knows the ins and outs of the City Hall, and he knows the people in power, from the upper, from the ones up to the councils, and because the councilors, because some of them worked for my dad at home closely. So we can all coexist naman and not agree and still respect each other. I don't understand why the world has to be so, you know what I mean? I don't know why there has to be anarchy everywhere when there's no threat of nuclear bombs. Ay, oo, lahat yun. Chet talk to Kiko. We're a family. My brother loves Kiko and vice versa. And kanya-kanyang paniwala yan eh. So pagka ganun, sana you respect each other. Ako, pagod na akong nasa gitna ako. Pero, imagine, can you please, for 1 second, people, imagine how it is being in the middle, being the wife to someone you love and support and respect, and whose values you agree with. And then, also being friends and having such affection for a president that has been good to my father and my brother before I met Kiko. And is now supporting my brother. I mean, iyak nung nasa gitna. Pagod na rin ako. Tapos makakarinig ka pa ng batikos na hindi mo na nag-isip na, when it's like that, hindi lang dapat, sana a little empathy lang. Yun lang hinihingi ko. You don't have to agree with me. Hinihingi ko lang naman boto sa kuya ko para sa pagiging mayor. Kasi pag kawawa rin yung mga tiga-pasay pag narinig ninyo yung mga iniiyak kay kuya. Thank you. Wala nang pera si kuya. Minsan pinabayaran pa yung barangay captain nung para hindi mo kapag house to house yung kapatid ko. Hindi na namin alam saan kami kukuha. Kasi I have big utang good utang. I have real estate utang. I'm an investor. So everything I make goes there. I don't know how, we just like Kiko, pag si Kiko tumatakbo ever since, wala rin naman pera si Kiko eh. Hindi rin naman ako in-installba ni Kiko even for 5 million, 10 million. Parang pag may gusto kong ibay, sige, pero wala ako. Kasi tatay siya eh, di ba? So we will rely on good-hearted people and pray, tapos biglang may dadating. And he's been there since 2001, so God must want him there. He's a good person. So, we're good people. I hope you give my brother a chance and I'll help as much as I can. So, if and when he's elected. So, parang na namin yun. For my father's name na lang.
Thank you. And last question.
Yeah, sure.
Are you as expressive as Christy in the movie to your husband and your children?
I'm more expensive. More expensive.
For example, if may tampo po kayo, you would...
I tell you. Yeah, tsaka malakas boses niya eh. Pag si Kiko, medyo emotional, at nagtaas ng boses, ang lakas ng boses. Pang entablado, pag nangangampanya. Eh ngayon, ang di nga naisip, nag-asawa siya na nagsushow sa Araneta. Kaya medyo mataas yung sagutan namin. Pero bihira kasi matagal na ako mag-asawa. And I don't back down. I am Elaine's daughter. So, No, but seriously, marunong na kami mag-usap ngayon kahit nag-aaway kami. And we know how to say sorry now. Dati ako, Diyos ko, marami na kaming mga muntikan, di ba? Now we're much better. Kasi siguro it comes with maturity also.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kate.
Top man. Congrats po.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Doon sa, habang nanonood ako sa movie, napatili ako doon sa eksena naghalikan kayo.
Ayan na.
Ni Mr.
Okay,
Mr. Gomez. How was it? Di ba awkward?
How was it?
How was it?
Very, very tame. Sabi ko, oh wow. I told Frankie nga, I said ko, honey, do you know that our scenes there, me and Tito Richard are kissing scenes in the movie? I just have to tell you, they're like 100% tamer than all the kissing scenes we've done before. But you can watch na, you're an adult na next month, so I'll let you watch me some No, but I think also, may I just say, I think a lot of people thought, since this was a reunion movie, in the beginning, our fans thought it was going to be a Sharon Richard movie.
Right.
Because we would get a lot of questions even on social media na, is it gonna be like Minsan Minahal Kita? Is there gonna be a bed scene? Is there gonna be a love scene? Are there gonna be kissing scenes and ganyan? And we would say it's a family movie. But we couldn't expound, syempre. So now they see it's so wholesome and ganyan. So it's really a team effort. So we don't take credit for it. It's not really a Sharon Richard movie. It's a family movie. It's a Sharon Richard, Catherine, Lisa, Lorena, Freddie Webb, Joros Gamboa, Tommy Esquera movie.
But since it was tame, Ate Shawi, how many takes?
Which one?
Yung
The kissing
ni
scene.
Richard.
Kung kailangan, mga dalawa.
Wow.
Ilang shots lang, ganon. Ilang shots. Napaka-tame na namin. Smack na nga lang. Napaka-tame na ni Mayor.
Right.
Hindi naman kasi kailangan. No.
Ano na po si Frankie nung premiere na?
Oo.
Ano yung reaction niya?
Okay lang kasi napanood din yung Unexpected Viewers.
Yeah.
Ay, mas mahaba yung, mas may kiss doon. Kahit hindi masyadong, tame pa rin, pero mas tame to. So, okay lang sa kanya. Diyos ko, millennial na yun.
True. Frankie pa.
Ano yung super content sila ni Juliana?
Actually, they just met, somewhere they just met. Tapos, they were nice to each other when she came. She said, Mama, I met Juliana and she was so nice. So, that's so sweet. Sabi ko, ganyan. Tapos doon lang sila ulit nakita. At tuwa ako, parang sabi niya, Mom, we're kind of the same. Sabi niya sa kotse nung papuntang reception. Excuse me. So, she's a very nice, what would you expect? Her mom is Lucy. And, she's just as sweet and soft-spoken. And she's a beautiful girl, very kind, yeah. Frankie likes her very much. And she's also Casey's friend, so. Mas kaedad lang niya si Frankie, so.
What are your 3 words for Senator Kika?
You're my hero.
Gusto ko yun.
I thank my husband for loving me. Kasi medyo nung una nalugi pa siya sa akin. Ngayon medyo.
Lamang.
I think in the beginning he loved me much more. And then I learned to appreciate him more and more and more. Now I see very clearly how very unique and special my husband's love for me is.
Curious na po kami, magkano na po yung kinita ng movie?
I have to tell you, I'll tell you the truth. Kasi nga, iniisip ng mga tao parang baka mag-unexpected. Everybody is expecting every movie to make the same amount. That's not possible. This is a family movie. Pag family movie, if you compare it to like The Four Sisters, The Seven Sundays, it's always parang diesel. Tawag namin dyan. Yesterday, it made something like 6.5 million.
Wow.
And ang tawag nila sa araw kahapon, araw ng peligro. You know why? Kasi ang sweldo to din.
Yes.
So, hindi kami nagpapanik because it's not a flop, obviously. It made 6.5. And tomorrow starts the beginning of a long holiday.
That's right.
So, we've had movies like this before. Kaya relax lang kami.
Yeah.
Kasi you know why? It's a beautiful movie.
Yes.
When you have a good product, you put your trust in it.
Yeah.
And it's a movie for the whole family. And it has something for everyone in the whole family. And maybe it's time that, like in Unexpectedly Yours, I think some millennials fell in love with Robin and me because of that movie, because they saw na, okay pala yung mga gantong edad, kaya ganyan sila, because of Julia and Josh na rin, di ba? Parang nadala kami. Ito, lalo na dito rin, kasi siguro they also go through the same problems as Kath goes through in this movie, yung character niya. So dito, it's a family movie for lolos, lolas, mommies, daddies, titos, titas, and the kids. So, yung Araw de Peligro, naka 6.5 kami. Today, it's higher. They're still waiting for the final tally. And then tomorrow, we're hoping it takes off. So, we're praying for that. We don't panic when it's like that. It's happened so many times before. And we'd like to thank everybody who went to see the movie. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. You know what, Kat? Years from now, babalikan mo, sabi mo, maswerte ka nagawa mo itong gantong klaseng pelikula.
Ako, sabi ko rin, pag tinanong ako someday ano yung mga pinaka-memorable, this will be one of them.
Right.
Kasi family ang involved.
This
I
goes
want
in-
my children to watch this.
Right. This goes in the line of like, taming yaman.
Yes, that's the point. This is not minsan minahal kita. This is not walang kapalit. Okay, guys? It's not Sharon Richard, your love story. Let's do a movie and kiss each other in the shower together. Like we did before. Let's have an affair and have a love nest. No. This is a family movie. Maiba naman, syempre.
Tama.
So, I'm happy. I love this movie. It was beautifully made. You will laugh, you will cry. Most of all, you will leave the theater touched and happy and having learned something.
Okay.
Maybe loving your family members more.